Hey y'all, I'm Chris and this is It Worth It, y'all? And today we are going to show you a super simple, fast, quick candy cuisine recipe. And it involves tomato sauce. This is so simple and so quick. This is why we can ingredients and not items. So we're gonna turn this into tomato soup and we're gonna do a grilled cheese and tomato soup because it's cold and we're hungry. So stick around, let's go. All right, and when I say fast, I mean fast. We're gonna open up these cans, pour the sauce in. We're doing 1 quart and 1 pint. Instead of sugar, I'm gonna use some liquid stevia, about that much. We're gonna add some garlic powder, some onion powder, some black pepper, and a pinch of salt, and heat it up on the stove. All right, we've got this started all mixed in, and I'm gonna do about a 1/2 cup of heavy whipping cream, and that's it, y'all. That is it. Those are all the ingredients. Next step is to grill some grilled cheese. I'm gonna show you a couple ways you can actually amp up the flavor of a grilled cheese. So, what do you guys use to grill your cheese with? Butter? Anything else? Comment below. So while we got our soup heating up, we are gonna make us some grilled cheese. Now, the key is to start with some really good bread. So we are gonna start with Dave's Killer Bread, because we like that. Now, traditionally, what we would do is we would take our butter, lather it on there, throw some American cheese on, and that's your grilled cheese, right? If you wanted to get fancy, we could add some ham or pepperoni, but we're just gonna leave that one like that. Did you know a great alternative, let's say you didn't have butter thawed out, did you know you could use mayonnaise for your grilled cheese? And you can actually grill on the mayonnaise side. Using Duke's Mayo, that's my favorite way to go. Do you want a Duke's Mayo trial or do you want both butter?
I'll take a trial.
Okay. You want Gouda or American?
Gouda.
All right, we got 2 Gouda orders, perfect. So, it adds a level of twang and it grills up just like butter. Crazy, huh? But, I mean, mayonnaise is oil and eggs, so what do you expect? We went and splurged and got some sliced Gouda. Sliced smoked Gouda. Oh no, it's just Gouda. Thought it was smoked. All right, let's get... There's that sandwich. And then there's that sandwich. All right, we got 3 grilled cheeses ready for the grill. And I'm just gonna leave this out in case we need more. I know this is like, I can't believe she's showing us how to make grilled cheese, but I will tell you, when you use your canned tomato sauce, and not some store-bought stuff, with homegrown tomatoes that you grew, the sweetness level and the yumminess of the tomato soup is like leaps and bounds better than you can buy in the store. So, soup's heating up. Let's grill some grilled cheese. Okay, how we doing? Oh yeah, that's pretty hot. All right, let's do standard grilled cheese. That's a good noise. We're gonna do Gouda. Make sure your griddles are nice and hot too. All right, there they go. All right, this one back here is the butter. Let's test him. Oh yeah, look how nice that looks. Now these are the mayonnaise, ready? Look at that. So pretty. If you didn't know I put mayonnaise on there, you couldn't tell the difference. All right, got the official taste tester. You ready?
Ready.
It shouldn't be as molten lava as normal. Every time.
Oh, that's so good.
That's so good. Okay, this is the mayonnaise Gouda sandwich.
Oh, wow.
Right?
Oh, that gives it a whole different taste.
Yeah.
Oh, that's delicious.
You like the mayonnaise?
I do. Yeah, I heard you giving the intro and you're like, oh, it gives it a tangy. It does.
It does?
Gives it, and it not like not overpowering like it would be if it was not cooked.
Yeah.
I guess.
And it crunches up pretty good, just like a regular.
Yeah.
All right, y'all, we have another
Great.
winner. We have another winner. Woo, woo,
All
woo.
good.
Well, thank you for tuning in to this quick canning cuisine. I know it's like grilled cheese and tomato soup, but like this is really one of our staple meals that we have. We've actually tried to film this 3 times, and the first 2 times the files were corrupted. That's how often we eat this meal, and that's how often we use our tomato sauce to make soup. So like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. And until we see you on the next quick canning cuisine episode, bye y'all.
Bye, y'all.